हाय माय लवली फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? 2026 की पहली वीडियो है। आई डोंट हैव एनी एजेंडा इन माइंड एज सच, बट आई जस्ट wanted to come in here and say happy new year to everybody. I know I'm very late, but hey, the year just started and we are in January, and I am already feeling so positive and so good about this year. And I'm getting so many nice messages, so many nice uh, signs from the universe that things are finally moving in the right direction, and that I have finally learned the hard lessons that I needed to learn in my life. And basically, I also wanted to come in here and talk to you about weird things that are happening here in India, like regarding women's safety, regarding general fall of democracy, and also about a breakdown of relationships. Yes, generally, relationships are breaking down everywhere, and India has largely been a country which is sort of like a community. It is a village of villages. That is India for you. But there has been breakdown in that. So this is a news item that I'm just linking, which I found so funny, and it just popped up in my feed about Quora this morning. So it says that a wife is demanding money, like whatever the amount of the money is, from her husband whenever they want to, like, sort of engage in any activity, in any physical activity. So I found it so funny, and it also is a sort of a post that reflects what is exactly happening. So what can be happening and what could be the correct way to think about it is that, suppose you have a car, right? That is your asset, but it is also your liability, because it's an asset because it gets you from point A to point B. It has some function, it has some utility, it gets that done. So definitely it's an asset, but it is also a liability, because over time it sort of, like, loses its appeal, the market shine over time. And also it requires timely maintenance. And a wife is demanding money from the husband, probably because um, the husband wants to, like, get the function out of the wife, but he is not doing his responsibility. He's not maintaining her. He's not sort of, like, it's not that you have to maintain it with money only, but not giving it the attention, the time, the sort of, the investment that a relationship of that uh, gravity and that intensity demands. Because right now, see, everybody is aware, even if the purchasing power of women are lesser than men, but there is some awareness in women that money is the currency of this world. Like, money is the uh, exchange medium of this world, and it is important. Earlier, women were not placing so much importance on money, that they were happy with sort of doing chores which were not sort of generating revenue. But now women are aware that, hey, money is our best friend, money is our protector, money is our sort of the safety net in tough times. So if the wife is making such a funny demand from the husband, that is probably because the husband is neglecting her. He is not maintaining her timely, uh, which could be like taking her out for meals, or taking her shopping, or making her feel like the feminine goddess that the woman is in his life. So definitely he needs to be penalized. He has to pay the price of his neglect. So definitely the woman is not wrong in asking whatever she's asking, because that is how she would get the attention. That is how she is telling him that, hey, not somebody that you can just come and extract whatever out of. She is not going to compromise on her standards. So those that was my take on this funny little Quora post. Let me know what you think about it on the comments below, and definitely do share with me what are your bucket lists for this year. See, I have a few items that I've placed, but I've not, like, sort of like, I'm still building it, I'm still building the vision board. I'm really really excited that a lot of interesting things are on my board right now. For the past, you can say, 5 years, it was just survival, it was just getting through to here. Like, this is getting some breathing space. So 5 years of my life was so 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 intense. Now finally I feel like I am myself. I feel the entity of Shivani is alive. It's like coming back to life. That kind of a Pink Floyd song is my go-to this year. So definitely, I will link that song in the description box to listen to it. I will also promise you guys to be here in these candid chats more often. So please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in your comments what you think, and let me know what is on your bucket list for 2026. Take care. Bye.